I bought this lute from Goodwill. To be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure what a lute even is. It's kind of an unknown at this point. At least it's not peanuts. Wow, it's light. From what I remember, there's a pickup. Yeah, somebody put a pickup in it. She's stepping on those bubbles. Dinkies. Oh my God. Check that out. I don't know anything about it. I don't think I know the brand. If there even is one. It might be inside underneath this pickup. Might be a label in there, but it works. Plug it in. It's got a jack right there. There's no screw on it. If you try to put a cord into it, it'll probably just push it into the body. You better be careful. I don't want that to go inside, because if it does go inside, something's got to get opened up. Oh, this is all split anyway. So there's some repair work to do here for sure. That's got to be fixed and tightened up. These screws are all loose. Not loose, but just real wonky. Oh, you can hear it a little bit. I think one string. 2 strings. All right, cool. Well, this is gonna need some work, and I'll be making some videos to show you the process on this. Next step now is just sort of examine this thing, see what the hell it is, see if I can figure anything out. Try the pickup, plug it in. It's so old. This is probably older than this. I don't know if this is original. God, could be. An electric lute. Cool. All right, I'll be back.